What's up, YouTube? Big West here, another episode. We're gonna show a quick feature. We got some guests here, and I think everybody would like to see them. And Jones, right here, has we bred my dad's dog Tina. Let me turn the camera around. Tina's right there, but we've had puppies, and they're over here. My dad, he went to Wyoming to the frontier days, so he dropped these puppies off, and they are for sale. I don't know if y'all are interested. Tina, Australian Shepard, she is registered. Jones is also, I got the paperwork to register him, but anyway, so we bred those 6 weeks ago, or eight weeks ago now, and these puppies are probably 2 weeks old. We're actually going to be asking $400 a piece for them. I do not have any of them sold. We have, let's see, right here, this one. Let's just look at them. There, puppy. It won't focus real good. I may try and take some pictures. Anyway, that's the male puppy. Let me see if I can figure out how to focus this thing better. We got that male. Here's I think the rest are females. Female. Looking at me all crazy. Then got another female here. Look at it. My focus on my camera's not doing too good. And then the other one is under the doghouse. Let's see. I gotta go to the other side. Let's see. There we go. Got one right here. Here's another female. She's about solid black. There we go. Anyway, there's 4 of them. That's Tina. That's the mama. If y'all are interested in a puppy, you can email me at bigsouthranchin@gmail.com. bigsouthranchin@gmail.com. Probably have to do some kind of deposit of some sort, but they are for sale. They're not ready to go right now, but if you wanted to purchase one, they're good, purebred Australian, standard size. She's kind of small, but she is a standard dog. And so anyway, we appreciate y'all checking it out. We got to get rid of them. We're just kind of playing with it, seeing what. It's fun to have puppies around every now and again, and they're good companion dogs. You don't necessarily have to use them for cow dogs all the time. Just if you live in the city and need a good companion dog, these are excellent companion dogs. They do shed. That's another thing though. They're not very good inside because of the shedding of the hair, but if you can tolerate it, clean it up, whatever. But we appreciate everybody. If y'all have any comments, suggestions, put in that comment section. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It does help promote the channel. Gives me the encouragement to do more. It's not easy doing camera work while cowboying and stuff, but if I can get up to 1,000, I'm at 700 If we can get to 1,000, I think we can kind of get monetized. Might could buy a GoPro, put up some GoPro or a drone or something to have some different footage. But anyway, we appreciate the support. We'll see y'all on the next episode of Big South Ranching.